I was just upstairs trying to figure out something to eat and thinking how even like even when we're really struggling, it's a bad day, anything, stuff's going on, asking God for help, trusting Him and everything, and He does. Um, and then I look outside and I see the doves, which He's just been sending so often when I'm having, you know, when I can't even see if the doves are in the camera, but they are. They're in the tree. But He sends them, and there's one of the doves. But He sends them, and it's just about trusting God, having faith, no matter how bad the day is, how much, like, we just don't have control over a lot of the stuff. And so, but He sends, okay, the doves are gone, but they were here for the moment they needed to be here. Just God showing me all day since I asked Him this morning, like, that I needed some hope and to see Him today, and He's been doing that all day long. And so, great day to be doing that, considering what today is for a lot of us. So it doesn't mean we won't have trials and tribulations and whatever else. We will. We just have to find a way to trust God, have faith, hope, love. Abide these three, and the greatest of these is love. That's in 1 Corinthians somewhere. 13. Anyway, so it's dropped 20 degrees and it's cold. So I'm going back in. Unless we get more doves or something.